Who am I? Who am I? I'm not your typical Cupid. I don't match people with other people. I match people to products throughout our store at Tile Outlet, etc. Countertop and flooring coming right up. Let it fly, baby.
Oh, what was that? I feel like I was just struck by love.
And another one.
Yes, these are exactly the products I've always been looking for. I can't imagine my life without these products.
Hey, you. Yeah, what's up? Have you found what you're looking for?
No, I'm just browsing.
How about now?
Oh my gosh, my heart is just racing. The love is in the air.
That's what I do, baby.
Oh my gosh, this is exactly what I wanted. I am so in love with this product. But how can I get it installed?
I'm not the only one showing love this time of the year. Tile Outlet, etc. offers installation, and right now they are offering $100 off any install bid. Woo! Now that's a lot of love. Are you looking for flooring, countertops, cabinets, or more? Come visit Tile Outlet, etc. in Rogers, Minnesota, and we'll instantly find something that you will fall in love with.